Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're on the hunt for a reliable treadmill to kickstart your 2025 fitness goals, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the Sole F85, one of the top contenders in the home gym market. I'll cover its standout features, pros, cons, and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. Let's jump right in. First off, the pros of the Sole F85 are impressive. It packs a powerful 4.0 horsepower motor that handles high-speed runs and inclines with ease, making it perfect for intense workouts. The cushioned deck is a game-changer for joint health, reducing impact and allowing for longer sessions without discomfort. You'll also appreciate the built-in Bluetooth connectivity for streaming your favorite playlists and the large, user-friendly LCD display that tracks metrics like speed, distance, and calories burned. Plus, its foldable design means it's relatively easy to store, even in smaller spaces, and the overall build quality feels durable and premium. But no product is perfect, so let's talk about the cons. The Sole F85 is on the bulky side, weighing in at around 300 pounds, which could be a hassle if you need to move it frequently or have limited room. It's also pricey, typically retailing for about $2,000, which might not suit budget shoppers. Another drawback is the noise level. At higher speeds, it can get quite loud, potentially disturbing others in your home. Additionally, some users report that the incline range isn't as extensive as competitors, limiting variety in your workouts. All in all, the Sole F85 is a solid choice for serious fitness enthusiasts who prioritize performance and comfort. If you have the space and budget, it could be a worthwhile investment for your home gym. If not, you might want to explore more compact or affordable options. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more gear reviews. What's your go-to treadmill? Let me know in the comments below.